Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. If you want more privacy and don't want others to know when you've read their messages, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, open the Settings menu in WhatsApp. Once you're in Settings, click on Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the Read Receipts option. By default, this feature is turned on, which means people can see the blue check marks after you read their messages. To disable it, simply click the Read Receipts toggle. Once you turn it off, the setting is applied automatically. Now, other people won't be able to see the blue check marks after you read their messages in personal chats. However, keep in mind that you also won't be able to see when other people have read your messages. Please note that this setting only applies to individual chats. In group chats, read receipts will continue to work as usual. If you ever want to turn this feature back on, simply return to Settings, open Privacy, and enable the Read Receipts toggle again. And that's it. That's how you can turn off read receipts on WhatsApp in 2026. It's a quick and easy privacy setting that gives you more control over your messaging experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.